This is my first vlog in like 3 years. I'm gonna do some groceries and need to get some healthy stuff because I'm back on my health kick, trying to be. A cop could pull me over, license gone, phone in hand. I don't think it could be a nicer day. I haven't had a day this nice in so long. Look how I'm saying I haven't had a day, like the world is fucking mine. These are my days. My day is sunny. Looking at the dog toys, because I want to get Molly a new one. Oh, these are cute. Look at those. Worst section of the whole shop, this place, the fridge aisle. Has anyone actually tried these? The magic jeans? I reckon they'd be crap. They just look like leggings, but I don't know, they're 25 bucks. I don't reckon it's worth it in my opinion. I need mum to help me shop. I can't do it by myself. Don't know what to buy. So many choices. Guys, I've got 2 things in my trolley and one of them is not even for me. I just don't know what to buy. It's so hard. I've got mixed nuts and 3 avocados. I think one of the most amazing things ever is just dogs who walk next to their owners without a lead on. Like, I don't know about you guys, but my dog would never do that. Like, I just don't trust my dog to be off a leash. Whose dog can do that? Isn't that only like a cat thing? But anyway, I finished doing the shopping. I'm on my way home now. Going out with Jake for a bit. We have to go to the doctor. So just boring stuff. But I hope the puppies are excited to see me when I get home. It's seriously like my favourite part of the day, I reckon. Just coming home and all those 3 dogs just going crazy. Cute alert. Just got home. Molly was like, Molly's the Great Dane, and she was standing out at the front window. I guarantee 100% when I get to the front door, she's going to be there waiting, probably along with Sam. I just heard them run around. They're going to be there. Hello! Hello! Hi! Hi! Hi, Sam! Hello! Oh. Hello! Hello! Hi! Watch it! Watch it! Getting cuddles from Max. Oh, Bruce, you just got issues, mate. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey? Hey? Thank you. You look cute. Do you feel cute?
A few.
Oh. Murray, hello. Murray.